Hello guys, welcome to Tech Eye Media GH. In this particular episode of our YouTube tutorial, we are going to take you through how you can get access to all your passwords provided you have forgotten your password. We are going to take you through a process. We are going to guide you through it, how you can get almost all your password to your accounts created, if only you have saved it with Google. If you are new on our channel, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell, share the video with friends. Please don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section. Let's move straight into the video. So what I have to do, or what you have to do, is quickly look out for settings on your phone. This is my settings. Click on it. Let's go back and look out for your Google Chrome. Look out for your Google Chrome. Then I have my phone here. Click on it. It's a very simple step. Then at the right top corner, you could see an arrow here. In your phone, you could see 3 dots vertically line up. You can click on it. So I click on this one, and then I just get it screwed up. Then look out for settings. Look out for settings. Let me show you the settings. So here is the settings. Click on it. Let's look at something. So you can see this is my Google account. Let's just go back, and then you come down to passwords. Come down to passwords. You can see this is my own. Click on it. Just click on the password, and here we are. What do you see? So when I scroll up, you could see view and manage. I read here, view and manage save what password in your Google account. So almost all accounts you have created, in the course of creating, after you are done, you've been asked by Google as to whether you want to save the password or like that particular account you have created. If you have saved it, then you are safe. A situation where you have actually forgotten a password, here they are. So I have quite a number of accounts created. So for instance, I have one which is the Facebook one. I click on it, so you can see, what do you see here? You can see all the details about it. The username is here, and then this is a password. If you want to see it, just click on the I button here, and then it will be open to you. Let's go back and look at some other one. There was a time I was not sure on my TikTok password. What do I do? So all I have to do is to scroll up. Since I have saved it with Google, they are all here. So I even have, this is my PayPal account. So anything at all you need, you can see. So this is the password here. The password, anytime I want to view it, you just click on the I button, and then you are good to go. Let's look at some other ones. That of Instagram. Let me quickly save through for you to see. So you can see it here, Instagram. So the only problem I may be having with whoever is actually looking for their password is a situation where, in the course of creating an account, if you have not saved it with Google, then that will be the problem. But if you have saved with Google, you can easily fetch it by clicking on the I button, and then the password will be shown to you. If this video has been of help, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell, share the video with friends and then loved ones as well. Please leave a comment at the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.